Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today I want to share with you guys my favorite go-to green smoothie for the morning time. Now I know I did one of these videos in my healthy drinks for the summer and just kind of a very quick smoothie recipe, but I wanted to actually make this a recipe video and show you guys exactly what I usually put in my smoothie, so that if you guys are starting a new year fresh and new and a healthier self, then you guys can follow this recipe along as well. So if you guys like green smoothies, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. This smoothie recipe could not be easier, especially because I make it in my NutriBullet. So I just stuff everything in and let the NutriBullet do its job and drink it right out of the NutriBullet cup. So it's so easy, which is exactly what I need first thing in the morning, because I am having this as I'm going to work, so I want it to be quick right after my workout. Now for me, my routine is that I work out really early in the morning usually, and then come home, have my smoothie, and then around 10 o'clock I'll have my breakfast. And so that's been my routine so far this year, and that's usually my routine in general. I'm a big morning person if you know me, and so as the evening goes by, I'm exhausted because my workouts tend to be at like 5:30, 6 in the morning. But I love it. I love getting that out of the way, and I love starting my mornings on a very fresh, healthy note. So with that said, let's get into my smoothie recipe. So what I put in the smoothie, I start off by putting some unsweetened almond milk. I put about 8 ounces, but honestly, I'll just go ahead and eyeball it just because unsweetened vanilla almond milk is so low in calories that it really doesn't matter if you put a little extra, but I'll put around a cup or 8 ounces. So that's the first thing I do, and then I take a handful of spinach and I put spinach right on top of that. That way I get to really blend the spinach with the liquid, and when I put the protein powder first, it tends to get stuck on the bottom of my cup. So that's why I put the protein powder next. So I'll put it right on top of the spinach. And for me, I'm using this vegan peanut butter protein powder. I find it to be the tastiest, and I love the fact that it's plant-based. The protein powder I buy from Amazon, so I'll go ahead and put that link. Sometimes I'll find it at Costco, but they don't have the peanut butter flavor, which is my favorite. So anyways, I'll go ahead and put all of the ingredients that I get from Amazon in the description box below. And then I go ahead and add a scoop of collagen. So I also talked about this in my last haul. I got it from Costco. It's just Vital Proteins. Great for your nail, hair, skin, everything. So highly recommend. And then I go ahead and have a little bit of fruit. I like to add a little bit of fruit so that it's a very well-rounded smoothie. And these strawberries I actually froze from the farmer's market, so they're so good. And so I'll add about a half a cup of strawberries, and then I'll top it off with a little extra ice and a little bit more water. And really that's it. I go ahead and blend that all up. The NutriBullet is great because the consistency is so smooth. Make sure and add about 8 to 10 ounces of water so you can get it nice and blended. And because the fruits are already frozen, I tend to add a little less ice, but if you are using fresh fruits, add a little bit more ice. So honestly, my version of my green smoothie is less green and more brown just because I added some frozen strawberries. So depending on what type of fruit you have, it might be brown versus the really green, but that's really it. It's a super easy smoothie and it's delicious. It's got this nice nutty flavor to it along with the fruity flavor, and honestly it's green but you don't taste the spinach at all. It gives it such a great consistency without adding any type of flavor to it. So I love it. You get your veggies in for the morning and you're ready to go. All right, there you guys go. That is my green smoothie recipe that I have every single morning. I have this right after I work out, so I get a good good amount of protein, veggie, fruits, everything in one glass. And I go ahead and sip on this throughout the morning and through my commute to work, and it leaves me full for a very, very long time. Around 10:30 is when I have my first official breakfast. So anyways, if you guys love green smoothies and you have different takes on it, leave it in the description box. I'd love to incorporate some of the things that you guys do into my smoothie so that I can make it even better. So if you guys like smoothie recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.